How to add credit card to Binance app. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a credit card to your Binance app. So let's dive right in. First, open the Binance app on your phone and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Now, what you need to do is simply tap on the Bitcoin icon at the top left corner of the screen. From there, all you need to do is tap on the settings icon. Scroll down a little bit and you'll find the payment section. Here, what you need to do is simply tap on payment methods. Tap on it. Here, now simply go to P2P payment method, and here simply tap on add a new payment method. You can choose from all of these options. Let's say this is mine. Now here what you need to do is simply upload your QR code URL. It may differ from country to country, so choose yours. And you can also search for your payment method as well. Once you've done that, simply select your credit card option, and Binance may ask you to verify your payment method via 2-pay authentication or two-factor authentication. And once your card is added, or once your card information is added, tap add card to confirm, and that's it. That's how you can simply add a credit card to your Binance